Sometimes it can be scary to start a conversation. I feel that way too. You might know, how are you? But today we're going to elevate your English with 4 casual expressions people actually use. Imagine you see a friend walking toward you. Instead of, how are you? Try, how's it going? This is a casual, friendly way to check in. Next is a very informal greeting. What's up? You were asking, what is happening right now? A common answer is not much or just working. It's perfect for coworkers or close friends. Try it. Hey, what's up? Now, what if you see someone you haven't seen in months? Use long time no see. This is an expression used when a lot of time has passed since your last meeting. Once you start talking, you might want to know about their life. Ask, what do you do? Careful. This doesn't mean, what are you doing right now? It means, what is your job? It is the most common way to ask about someone's profession. Starting a conversation is easy once you have the right tools. Which of these casual expressions will you use first?